Hi, I'm Eder at Broadmoor RV, and today I'm going to show you the Winnebago Hike 171DB. Let's take a look. One of the very unique features on a Winnebago Hike is its exoskeleton system, which allows you to bring bigger items such as bikes and paddleboards. The laminated sidewall has Azdel composite panels, protecting your RV from absorbing any moisture. One of the features is the off-road tires and fenders, making your off-road camping more accessible. Now let's take a look inside and see what the small unit has to offer. This floor plan offers you a kitchen on a slide with a recessed cooktop to allow for more meal prep space. One of the special features on a hike is its heated and enclosed underbelly for all your cold weather camping needs. The 171DB offers a dry bath, which is great for a floor plan of this size. So there you have our Winnebago Hike 171DB. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or swing by the dealership. Here at Broadmoor RV, we make camping fun.
When it comes to service, we're #1 at Broadmoor